Hey, Madison. You got a big box in the mail. Are you ready to see what it is? Okay. Here's the box. It's a big box. Okay. Someone requested that I videotape you. Are you ready? It's Mickey! Alright, there's lots of stuff in here. Oh yeah, you ready to see what's in here? I don't know if it's going to stay. Okay, I'll set it down and I'll take things out one at a time. Look at that. It is pretty paper. That being a long video. Oh, Aunt Fran's gonna be jealous. No, it's not a baton, but a wand for a princess. It's Ariel. Let's see, will she light up? Oh, she lights up. Oh my gosh, there's 6 Cheetos in there? I don't know. It just lights up. That is cool. Okay, I'm going to do each one by itself.